12 powerful healing effects of onions you need to know. Onions are incredibly popular and widely used around the world. They are a staple ingredient in numerous cuisines, from Asia to the Americas, Europe, and Africa. But these tear-inducing kitchen essentials are more than just a flavor booster. Beyond their culinary appeal, onions have been valued for their medicinal properties in traditional remedies across many cultures. With that in mind, get ready to explore the hidden healing effects packed into every layer of this amazing vegetable. Number 1. Cough and cold relief. Many people reach for onions to soothe sore throats and reduce coughing. And one of the easiest ways is to make a natural syrup by soaking onion slices in honey. The juice that the onion releases mixes with the honey to form a soothing remedy that helps reduce inflammation in the throat and calm a persistent cough. Now, if syrup isn't your thing, onion tea can be another effective remedy. Boil some onion slices in water and sip the mixture. It might not be gourmet tea, but it works wonders when you're battling a cold. Number 2. Pain relief for ear infections. Ear infections are often quite painful, but onions can provide some relief. Warming onion juice or making a compress with onions and applying it to the ear can help reduce the pain and inflammation. This natural remedy is believed to work because of the anti-inflammatory compounds present in onions. They can help soothe the infection and reduce discomfort. Number 3. Relieving sinus congestion. If you're dealing with a stuffy nose or sinus congestion, grab some onions. The sharp, pungent smell of a freshly cut onion can help open up your nasal passages. Simply sniffing a sliced onion can bring quick relief by promoting mucus drainage. For a stronger effect, you can boil some onions in water and inhale the steam. This helps break up congestion, allowing you to breathe more easily. Number 4. Fever reducer. Having a fever is the body's way of fighting off infections, but it can make you feel miserable. A popular home remedy for reducing a fever is to place slices of onions on the bottoms of your feet and wear socks over them. This might sound ridiculous, but many people swear by its ability to draw out heat and toxins from the body. While this method has limited scientific backing, it remains a popular and harmless practice for those looking for natural ways to lower their temperature. Number 5. Insect bite relief. Insect bites can be incredibly annoying, especially when they swell and itch. Fortunately, there are plenty of effective ways to get relief. One of which is rubbing a slice of raw onion on an insect bite to reduce swelling, itching, and irritation. Onion's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties help soothe the skin and prevent infections, making it a quick and natural remedy. Number 6. Hair growth stimulator. Looking to boost hair growth naturally? Onion juice has long been used as a hair tonic. Rich in sulfur, an essential compound for hair health, onion juice can stimulate hair follicles and improve circulation to the scalp. To use this remedy, apply some onion juice to your scalp. Leave it on for about 15 to 30 minutes, and then wash it out with shampoo. Over time, you should notice stronger, thicker hair. Number 7. Improved digestion. Consuming onions regularly, raw or cooked, can boost digestion and support long-term gut health. Onions are rich in dietary fiber, particularly prebiotics, that feed beneficial gut bacteria and support a healthy digestive system. Prebiotics improve nutrient absorption, reduce bloating, and promote a balanced gut microbiome. So, if you have digestive issues, find ways to add more onions to your diet. Number 8. Wart removal. Warts are not only unsightly, but also a hassle to remove. Nevertheless, onion juice has been used as a folk remedy to remove these bumps for ages. Its high sulfur content, when applied regularly over time, is believed to help break down the wart tissue. And while this method does require patience, it is a natural, chemical-free option for those who want to avoid harsher treatments. Number 9. Reduce swelling or bruising. Onion poultices have also been a go-to remedy for reducing swelling and bruising. The anti-inflammatory properties of onions can help soothe swollen areas and accelerate the healing process. To create a poultice, chop onions, wrap them in a cloth, and apply them to the affected area. This natural treatment can be particularly useful for minor injuries or after physical activity. Number 10. Toothache relief. Toothaches can be incredibly painful, and if you're looking for quick relief, onions might be able to help. Chewing on a small piece of raw onion or placing it on the affected tooth can help alleviate the pain. Onions have antimicrobial properties that can help fight the bacteria causing the toothache, providing temporary relief until you can see a dentist. Number 11. Acne treatment. Onion extract is sometimes used in skincare, mainly to treat acne. The sulfur compounds in onions have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that reduce bacteria and calm inflammation. Thus, applying onion juice to acne-prone areas can help reduce the frequency and severity of breakouts over time. Number 12. Detoxifying air. It is widely believed that onions have the ability to purify air by absorbing toxins and germs. While there's limited scientific evidence to support this one, placing cut onions around the home has been a folk remedy used for generations, particularly during cold and flu seasons. Even if the effects aren't fully proven, many still turn to this practice as a natural method for reducing the spread of illness. Should you choose to eat them, inhale their fumes, or apply them topically, onions offer several ways to support your overall well-being. From boosting immunity to easing discomfort, their healing properties are as versatile as their culinary uses. And while some of these remedies might sound a bit unconventional, they remain simple, natural options to consider. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a like and share it with your friends and family, as it helps us produce more valuable content. To stay up to date with our latest videos, remember to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications so you never miss out on any future content.